What's up my YouTube family? What's up guys? कैसे हैं भाई लोगों सारे? Hope you guys are absolutely fine. So guys, आज की जो वीडियो है वो है वर्कआउट के ऊपर. I'm gonna share my morning body activation workout with all of you. So guys, basically this workout will definitely help you to activate your body and energize your muscle by easy and low intensity movements. तो इस वर्कआउट में सिंपली आपके साथ 12 एक्सरसाइजेस शेयर करने वाला हूँ, जिसमें आपकी 4 वार्म अप एक्सरसाइज होंगी, जिसमें 4 आपकी मसल एक्टिवेशन एक्सरसाइज और 4 आपकी कार्डियो पल्मोनरी एक्टिवेशन एक्सरसाइज होंगी. कार्डियो पल्मोनरी एक्टिवेशन एक्सरसाइजेस मीन्स टू से हमारे लंग्स और हमारे हार्ट के लिए बेसिकली इस एरिया को एक्टिवेट करने के लिए होती है. सो गाइस, विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो. सो ये एक्सरसाइज आपको काफ़ी फ़ायदा देने वाली है, और जो लोग मॉर्निंग वॉक या टहलना जिनकी हैबिट नहीं है इन चीज़ों के लिए, और जो ये जाना पसंद नहीं करते हैं, उनके लिए डेफिनेटली वो एक घर में एक्सरसाइज ट्राई कर सकते हैं. दिस इज़ मैं ये जो सीरीज़ स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, इसमें टोटली मेरा जो पर्पज़ है वो बॉडी वेट ट्रेनिंग पर रहेगा. तो मैं आपको सारी एक्सरसाइजेस बॉडी वेट ट्रेनिंग से रिलेटेड बताऊंगा. तो गाइस, इस वर्कआउट को बेसिकली किसी भी एज ग्रुप के लोग ट्राई कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आप इस वर्कआउट को, अगर आपको कोई सीरियस इंजरी है, सिक हैं या इल हैं, तो आप इस वर्कआउट को ट्राई ना करें. दिस इज अदरवाइज इसको किसी भी एज ग्रुप के लोग ट्राई कर सकते हैं. दिस विल डेफिनेटली बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू टू एक्टिवेट योर बॉडी, टू एनर्जाइज योर मसल्स. सो गाइस, विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट.
While doing this exercise, stand with chest up and your core should be tight. Extend your arms straight out forward and engage your back muscle to move your arms back twice. Move the arms back as far as you can comfortably to feel the stretch in your chest. Do not hold your breath. Feel a stretch in your chest. Take this exercise gentle and slow. And you should remember one thing, keep your core tight. Do this exercise for 20 seconds. While doing hip circle, stand your feet shoulder width apart, chest and head up, and your hands at your waist. Slowly rotate your hips in circle. Do not hold your breath and feel the stretch at your core. Rotate in circles, not too fast or not too slow. Control your tempo and range of motion, and do this exercise for 20 seconds. While doing whole body stretch, bend forward from waist with your hands down and wrist crossed. Raise your arms laterally with your elbows straight to bring your hand up overhead. As you stand back up straight. The breathing procedure of this exercise is when you coming up, breathe in, and when you coming down, breathe out. While coming down, feel the stretch in your entire abs and chest. While coming down, feel the stretch in your backs and hamstring. Focus on deep breaths and take it slow. While doing lunge elbow to instep with rotation, start in a plank position with your hand shoulder width apart. Keeping your back straight, step left leg forward to the outside your left hand and touch your left elbow to the floor. Then reach out your left arm upward looking up. Return to the starting position, then switch sides with the same motion. You can breathe in when rotating to the side and breathe out when coming back to the center. While touching the floor, feel a stretch in your hips. While rotating your torso, feel upper side stretch and release. While doing lateral jumping jack, stand straight, your core tight, jump to the left as you quickly bring your hands overhead. Then jump back as you quickly put your hands down. Switch to the other side. Breathe in when raising arms, breathe out when coming down. Do not hold your breath. Take it soft and consistent. Try to keep it gentle and fluid. And remember, Keep your core tight and clap your hands overhead. Do this exercise for 20 seconds. While doing jogging in place, stand with your torso straight and stable. Lift your feet a little off the ground alternatively and hopping from foot to foot. Do not jog too fast, you should be able to talk normally. And do not hold your breath. Do not fatigue quickly, breathe properly. And run slowly to minimize impact on your joints. And do this exercise for 20 seconds. Whenever you do right power knee, start with your feet spread wide, weight primarily on left leg. Left knee slightly bent and arms extended overhead. Keep your upper body and right leg in a line at 45 degrees. Keep your torso stable and use your abdominal muscle to bring your left knee towards your chest while gently tapping your knee. Keep it at a fast rate. Breathe out when tapping knees and breathe in when going back. Feel the contraction in your right obliques. And remember, keep your body in a straight line and put your weight on your left heel. And do this exercise for 20 seconds. Whenever you start this exercise, it is similar as right power knee. But difference is, in this exercise, your weight primarily on right leg and right knee slightly bent and arms extended overhead. In this exercise, you should keep your upper body and left leg in a line at 45 degrees and breathe out when tapping knees and breathe in when going back. Feel the contraction in your left obliques. While doing knee push-ups, knee on the floor with your feet crossed behind you, back straight and keep your upper body in a straight line. Place your hands on the floor slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Bend your elbows until the torso is slightly lower than them, then pushing up to the starting position. Breathe in when bending elbows, breathe out when pressing up. Feel the pump in your chest, front delts and triceps. And also remember, keep your core tight, squeeze your chest while pushing up and do the 10 reps of this exercise. While doing L stretch exercise, stand with your elbows tight to your sides. Your forearms should be parallel to the floor and fist clenched and palm facing up. Raise your arms laterally until your back is contracted. Do not shrug, pause, then return to the starting position. Breathe in while rotating laterally and breathe out when going back. While rotating laterally, feel the contraction in your shoulder blades and a squeeze at the end range. And remember, open your arm as wide as possible and square your chest. And do the 15 repetition of this exercise. While doing good morning exercise, stand with your hands beside your head. Open your elbows widely and straight to your back and tight to your back and knees slightly bent. Press your glutes and lean forward until your upper body is almost parallel to the floor. Breathe in when bending down and breathe out when coming up. While bending down, feel the stretch in your glutes and the tightness in lower back. While coming up, feel the contraction in your glutes. Always remember that open up your elbows and keep your back straight and tight and do the 12 reps of this exercise. While doing squat with power knee, stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Elbows should be bent and arms held before chest. Flex your knees, sitting back with hips until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Make sure your knees follow the direction of the toes. As you come up, shift your weight onto the outside of your sole. Lift up one knee as high as you can. Tighten the glute on the other side and twist your upper body towards the raised knee. Switch opposite sides with the same motion. Breathe in when squatting and breathe out when standing up. Take it in a consistent pace while standing up. Feel the contraction in your glutes and quads. And do the 20 repetition of this exercise.
So guys, I have just done my workout and hope this video is helpful for you. You can try these exercises at your home. बहुत ही सिंपल एक्सरसाइजेज हैं, आपकी बॉडी को एनर्जेटिक रखने में ये काफ़ी मदद करेंगी और बहुत ही सही वे में मैंने आपको समझाने की कोशिश की है। तो ये एक्सरसाइज आप घर में कर सकते हो, आपकी बॉडी को एनर्जेटिक